What's up guys, Edipod Gamer and welcome back to... My intro is funny then. Let's start it again. Welcome back... what's wrong with me today? What's up guys, Edipod Gamer here and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing this one. We're going to be unboxing the gold pack for this. And you can see over here we got the diamond. And we actually used the diamond and it's really good because we actually got a wood block from it. But I just quickly want to show you that. And the diamond's gone now. I quickly finished it off at the end of the video to make a part 2. So this is part 2, everyone. And this is what I got. Just want to show you. It's kind of hard. This is what I got, guys. So yeah, this is the gold one, and I know what to do now. I actually have 2 sets because they both came in a set, so I know actually what to do. Wow! I've already found the wood. I don't know what this one is. Is it the same? Hope it isn't. But I don't care if it's the same. All I care is that some gold in it. I'm just digging. This one might actually be short, to be honest, because it's very hard found. I'm just gonna go on and dig into the site. Damn, this is really quick. We're doing this like lightning always. Look, see this? That just looks like you're just unboxing it, but really, you've done this. That's incredible. So I'm just gonna take to the top and mess up the name of gold. His name gold on it. Now I wanna mess it up. Beautiful. And where I got this was in the UK. I got it in a toy store, Smith's. A lot of you who live in the UK may know that. It's a very popular store. I actually didn't know what I was going to get for ages there, and I just started to wonder. I looked at Lego for like ages and ages and ages. And I also looked at the Nerf guns for ages. I was just there for a long time. And then I finally found these. Well, I was going to buy a Minecraft playset, but then I saw them by the till, and then I was like, oh my god. So I got, and I needed to get it because I wanted real diamond or gold. It's about 1 grand, so like I'm happy. I wonder how much gold you can actually get from this, but I don't think there's any gold. So maybe I'm too guys to find any gold. I don't think there is. Yeah, it's 1 out of 24 anyway. I never thought it was any gold. Some people have got really well, I guess I'm just not lucky enough, to be honest. If I actually bought like loads of them, then yeah, I'll actually do a vid where I'm gonna get 24 if I save up my pennies. Yeah, and right together. Save up my pennies and yeah, so I can get Max out, yay! Well, there's no gold in this. They look kind of the same, but I'm just going to see which one it is with the gold thing. Okay. I think this is just, yeah, I've got Jasper Picture. The gold one is Jasper Picture. I think this one's Tiger Eye. So it's really short. This video is really short, guys, so I'm just gonna show you all of it. So this is actually really weird, and there's a lot of it. I mean, so yeah, that's all. Well, it isn't all the time we got left for this video. We've got another 10 minutes left, but I've done everything, so yeah, I guess. Cool. Yeah. Then we could, I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna say bye now. Bye guys. Hope to see you again soon. Doing a video. Bye.